In this session, we'll create and manage users. Let's go ahead and create a user. The default command to create user is user add. For a short overview of the options that are available, we'll use user add -- help. You can recognize many of the options which we'll just use. Let's just explore expiration date. To start with, the interesting here that is -e expects you to set an expiration date, but it doesn't mention which format. So to get some more detail about it, let's have a quick look about the man page for user add. So man, user add, and search for the -e option. Expiration date, as we learned that expiration date is in format year, month and date. Okay, that makes sense. Now the other option I want to use is -c comment to fill the geekhost field comment about my user, and I want to use the option -s because user C is C programmer, and as a C programmer he probably wants to use the TCH shell that uses the C language. To put all this together, we need user add -c my user, or whatever you want to put there, -e 215 1205 -s /bin/tchsh followed by the name of the user. So the system doesn't complain, so I probably think it's right. To verify the result, I can use tail -n l1 etc password, and we can see that user has been added, and we can also see the geckos field has been filled with the value I used, and also the bin tcsh is used. You can also see that user has a reference to the home directory which is created in home. So there it is, subdirectory for user Lara, and the other properties are showed in the file hc_shadow. Now there is nothing we need to take care of. That is the user allowed to log in from the shell. We can see double exclamation marks. These double exclamation marks determine that no password has been configured for the user. So if you're root, you can easily set password, and if you're not root, there's a different mechanism to do that. Since we are root, in order to set password, we'll use the passwd command followed by the name of the user. Let's set the password, passwd Lara. Let's type something that's too simple, like password. It tells you that bad password. Password fails the dictionary check because it's based on a dictionary word. But I'm root, so I'm allowed to enter a weak password. And here you can see all authentication tokens are updated successfully. If you look on etc_shadow file, we can see the password hash in second field, which is quite long, which refers to the password I entered at this point. I have just created a user now. I would like to test if this account works. To do that, I need two different user accounts. There are two ways, but an easy way is to su into another account. And to do that, we'll do su -Lisa. As I'm root, it won't prompt me for any password, which is good. Now I'm Lisa. This can be verified by typing id command. Type id, and as Lisa, I type su -Lara, and it asks me password for Lara, so I need to enter password for Lara. Now you can see I'm logged in as Lara. Now I can exit the environment by typing exit twice. I just verified that the user account was. Of course, I could have also logged out of the current login shell, like switch user, or if you are only in text-only mode, you could have used Alt F3 or F2 or F1 to open another virtual console. That's it for user accounts right now. Thank you.